Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. It is 22,620 square meters. It's a clean title. Located in Barangay Mahagbo, Trinidad, Bohol. So, this is boundary of Ubay and Trinidad and San Miguel, guys. So, it is in the middle of the nowhere. So, it's in the middle of Ubay, Trinidad, and San Miguel, Bohol. So, nandyan siya sa gitna. So, parang approximately nasa 20 kilometers from town proper of Ubay. And, kuan. But the property is really good, no? Good for farming. And there is already a foreigner house there nearby. So, may mga foreigner na rin tumira dyan. So, it's nice and very quiet place. There are neighborhoods. So many neighborhoods. Then the good thing, it has already a deep well. It has two houses lived by their nephew and niece. So mga pamangkin ang tumitira dyan. Kasi nandun sa Manila yung may-ari, widow. It's a clean title, guys. Kasi widow siya. So 100 pesos per square meter. So walang problema. It's 100 pesos per square meter. Maganda talaga ang posisyon ng lupa. Pwede kayong kahit anong gawin mo. It has so many rice field. May mga rice field siya. May mga irrigated na pero hindi pa nakaabot dyan. Pero may irrigation canal na talaga. So, kulang na lang ang pagpatubig. So, anong gagawin mo dito? Pwede kayong magawa ng mga anong gusto mo. Piggery, poultry, many more. So, mura lang. 100 pesos per square meter. Limpyo, net. Kadalasan naman nila, net talaga. Yung tayo na mag-transfer sa from seller to buyer. Tayo na. Buyer na ang mag-transfer. May banana trees, coconut. So, hindi masyado marami ang banana at coconut. Pero pwede ka ang magtanim. Lagyan mo ng maraming tanim. So, maganda na to. May face pond. May mga isda dyan. May small face pond. So, very affordable talaga, guys. Ang kalsada papunta dyan, meron naman pero hindi pa masyado develop. So, you need to bring a car which is higher, no? Higher ang katulad ng pick-up, pwede. Pero kung yung automobile, hindi pwede. So, lalo na kung mag-ulan. Pero kung pick-up ang dadalhin natin, maganda. So, maganda dito, guys, kung anong plano mo. Basta farming. So, ano lang, distansya lang talaga sa sentro. So approximately 20 kilometers. 20 ka kilometro. So pero pwede ka magpunta sa Ubay o sa San Miguel, Bohol. So malapit lang kung saan ka gustong mag-shopping or kumuha ng mga goods or mag-market. So, wala namang problema. May mga motorsiklo naman tayo. Regarding of safety, no records of kuan, guys. Kasi mga delikadong lugar, hindi. Mabuti na ang Bohol ngayon, wala na tayong problema. Regarding the safety, no history of safety. In fact, there is already a foreigner no living in the area. So, kung ano pa yan, siguro wala na yan. Pero nandyan, bagong bahay, nandyan. So, that's the sign, no? That's the sign na wala tayong problema sa safety. So, location is really good, guys. So, signal. There is also a signal. Internet. Or, signal ng internet is ano lang, Wi-Fi lang. So, probinsya, nasa probinsya talaga. So ito yung bahay pangalawa sa pamangkin, at may deep well dyan. Clean ang water. So may mga kaimito, may mga iba ring mga prutas, papaya nandyan. So very nice din now. Maganda talaga. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Water, electricity, signal are available. Okay. So ito po yung deep well. Tabay. Oh, see. Fresh air. Fresh air dyan. So medyo malayo na talaga, pero okay, mas okay kasi may kalsada naman. Anong gusto mo, mag farming or cattle farming, o pwede bakahan, or bakahan man yun, o pigiri, pwede. Okay. Again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.